Big day in the garden, lots of fun things happening today. The grass is coming out. So trying to keep that Bermuda that was here before from coming through. So we got weed cloth and the boxes. Okay, we're in the home stretch. We're going to start filling the last 3 beds with dirt, and yay, I'm so glad I have some help. All right, the pile is getting smaller. In my new garden area, I have the last watering grid, all the new beds to set up, and then I will be ready to plant. All right, so I turned on my valve and you see we got a little bit of Bellagio going on here. Easy to fix. So right now I have full water pressure, so I'm going to turn this valve down a little bit. I'm really excited about this garden area because this spot right here is the spot in my yard that gets those very first rays of sun. So when you're trying to decide on a location for your garden bed, pay attention to where the sun comes up and hits your yard in the morning.